Hi guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy English with Shivangi. Today I'm just gonna give you some tips how you can learn English on your own. If you want to speak better English, there's no need any partner, there's no need any application, there's no need any that people to whom you can talk to them. Yes. Do you know why I'm telling you? If you would like to learn better English, because it is your decision to become a good speaker, the ball is in your court. So my friend, I want to say something. There is no any people to available 24 into 7, but you are available 24 into 7. So I want to say, if you want to speak better English, so please implement this thing, please execute this thing, and to be honest, you will get a powerful result. To be honest, it is a very simple. There's no need any topic, there's no need uh think I need any topic I have to discuss. No, you need only one thing which you do every single day. You have to just explain what is this. I'm just gonna tell you what is this, my friend. But I would like to say one more thing. Before sleeping, you have to do this activity. What is this? That is telling about your routine in English. Yes, you heard me right. Tell about your routine in English, everything. Whatever you did from morning to evening, you have to just explain in English. And to be honest, if you just do that, if you just implement, you can become a good speaker. Can you tell me in this, if you do these things, so they need any topic, they think, oh, what topic I have to take today, I don't know. There is no need. And one more thing, whatever you did, whatever, and there is one more main thing what you have to pay attention. Please tell about your routine in past indefinite tense. Please listen to me carefully. Whenever you just tell about your routine, especially in English, before sleeping, you have to tell about past indefinite. You might be thinking why I'm telling you. Because, my friend, it's good. Suppose before sleeping, whatever you did in past. So that's why I'm telling you, you have to describe in past indefinite tense. And to be honest, it's not very tough. You are the friend, you're just learning English. You are learning English from scratch. Yeah, you are know how to talk to people. You're able to make sentences, so you can do that. And it's a mind blowing things. I must recommend you. I must preach you. You have to adapt this habit. And to be honest, you do this thing just for 1 month. After 1 month, you will able to see a huge change. You will able to see extremely good result. You will get it, but you have to implement. And one more thing, there's one more question. How many hours I have to tell about my routine in English? So first of all, there's no need hour. You have to just describe at least 5 minutes. It is possible for you, so you can describe for 10 minutes. That's sufficient. Don't worry, gradually, you must go ahead. But you have to start from scratch. And one more thing, please don't be shy. While making sentences, you must make mistake. It's common. Now, making mistakes is part of learning process. Never ever forget. Just make mistake and learn English. Okay? And thanks a lot for watching my video. I'm so glad. And one more thing, keep on learning English language, keep on shining in this language. And one more thing, if you love my video, please just say, I love your way of talking. And thank you a lot to watch my video. Bye bye.